We're going to install these things here now. These are the little clips that hold on the back seat. They bolt into there. You push this thing and release the post that's in the back seat right over there. We're going to clean up that post in a minute. The hard part of this thing was finding the right little wrench. It's, let's see, 5/16. Why they didn't make it a quarter, I'll never know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. That's a little blaster on that thing. Alright, we're in business. Now we gotta clean off those posts. Spray a little blaster on it, loosen that rust up, do it better later. I don't want to mess that foam up.